Hey, good morning. Can you confirm audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, where we stopped in the last session, we discussed about set methods, right?
Yes.
Go to our workspace folder, the workspace. Let me find our node. Okay. Let's go to the set. So, we discussed about few methods. Remaining few methods are pending, right? First of all, how many methods we have? Let's go to our predefined function dir of set. You can get all the members inside the set class. Okay, first one is what? Add. You know that one. If you want to
Yes.
add a member, a value inside a set, then you can go with add. Okay, for example, I have a set like this one, comma 2. Now, if you want to add something, you can add it. Okay, val dot add. Okay, 3. If I write like this, then the time my val is added or not. Okay, this is one method. Okay, here instruction order is not preserved, is nothing but 3. Don't think like always added in the last index. Okay, why? Because set insertion order is not preserved. No, the next one is what? Clear. Okay, how we can get the clear? Val dot clear. If you come here, now see my val, it is like clear everything. It's like clear everything. That one also we discussed. What about copy? What about copy? What about copy?
You have to copy the.
To get the cloned one. Okay.
Yes.
Set. To get the cloned set. Okay. Here the thing is VAL12 is there, right? A equals to VAL. Okay. Yes, you can write like this. Now, if you come here, my A dot add of 3, then what happened? My A
It
value
will
affected and the BAL
well
affected,
also updated.
updated. So I don't want like this. Okay, this kind of copy, what you know? Okay, just assign the. Okay, you copy the val inside the A. This kind of copying we can say like a shallow copy.
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's called as a shallow copy.
Well,
Now, if you come here, okay, both are like affected. I don't want to make it like affected. In that case, okay, you can write a clone. You can get the cloned value of my A. You can get it. Once you get the cloned value, okay, here what happened? B copy. Okay, this is wrong, right? Okay, here A
yeah.
dot copy is the method. A dot copy. Now, my A value is this one and my B value is this one. My B value is this one. So, if you made any change in my A or B, whatever it is, my A value I made the change, A affected, but if you come to the B, my B is not affected. Did you observe this one? Say this.
Yes.
Okay, this kind of copy, what we can say, it's like a deep copy.
Yep.
Okay, so if you want to get a cloned value of a set or a list, whatever it is, we have a three different methods there. That is like a copy method. Okay, that is one. Another method, the IR of set.
Yep.
Now the another method is what? Difference. Yesterday
Different.
I have two sets are there. If you want to find the difference, difference is nothing but A minus B, B minus A, like that. A minus B is nothing but what? You have to remove B from A or not. You can easily understand if I draw the flow. Okay, in our sets actual diagram. Let me open the paint. Okay, I have one set. I have one set. I have one A, 1 comma 2 comma 3. I have one more set is there. Okay, 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7, like this. Okay. Now you can draw the diagrams, Venn diagrams you can say. if you come here, this is my A set and this is my B set, for example. This is my B set. Now A, B, there has two sets over there. This one, this area, what we can say, it's like a common area, intersection area. So
Interesting.
area is what? 2,
3.
2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay, common area is like 2 and 3. Only specific area is what? 1.
1.
Here 5 and 7.
7. 7.
Okay, first one is like difference. Difference A, difference B. Then what is the
1. 1 will come.
1 only. Okay, just you remove A minus B. Okay, that means you have to remove the B. If I remove the B, what you have? 1 only or not? Okay, so that is the one. Now this is my A. This is my B. Okay, if I write like A difference B, what's my answer? A difference B, what's my answer?
4. 4.
Right. Common area 1, 2, 3 is there. That is the 4. B difference here. B difference here.
B minus A.
B minus A. B minus A. If I write like this, you have to remove A from B. You have to remove A from B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is there. If I remove, do we have anything in the B? No. So,
No.
like a empty set or not. Okay, if you do the difference, the actual sets changed or not changed? Actual set changed or not changed? Not changed, right? Difference means just it return the difference element. That's it. But if you want to update the difference value, then the time you can go with what? Difference update or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
With the difference update. Agreed? Next, discard. Why we go for discard? Discard.
Mm,
Okay, this is my A. Okay, A dot discard. Okay, of 44, for example. If I write like this, A value is what? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4.
If I write like this, A discard 3. Now, if you come here, okay, now
2,
see
4.
A. Now it is removed or not? Discard is nothing but what? A again. A discard. Okay, 2. Now see my A value. My A value is like what? 1, 4 or
4.
1, 4. So discard is nothing but just remove the element. Yes or no? Is it written anything discard? Is my discard?
No, it does not.
It is not written anything. That. Now the next one.
Intersection.
Okay, I can do one thing. Okay, open command prompt. Okay, already we have the command prompt. Huh? Okay, this is notebook command prompt. We should not change CMD Python dir of set. Okay, next one. Intersection. Okay, this one very simple thing. Okay, intersection returns me what?
Common value.
Common values or not. A intersection B means 2, 3.
2, 3.
Okay, that is updated or not updated? By default. By
It does not change.
default,
Actual set.
it will not. It will not. It returns a value. That's it. Okay, now if you come here, A intersection B, the value is what?
1.
1 common. But A value is what? Still this one. And my B value is what? Still this one. It's not
1,
updated.
2, 3.
Not update. Okay, but we have one more method is there. What is that?
Intersection update.
Intersection update. Okay, now this intersection update updates the value or not. Where if I write like this,
Actual value. Actual set will update.
yeah. What is this one?
Some spelling mistake.
Okay. Now if you write like this, object no attribute intersection. Okay, this particular one is not there in the set or not. Not there in the set. So how we can get it? This is
Okay.
right. Okay, there has a typo here. Okay. Now if you write like this, Now previous intersection value is what? 1. That 1
One.
updated in my A or not?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, this is the one. The next one is what? Is disjoint. Is disjoint. Is disjoint. Is disjoint of B. Is disjoint of B. What is the answer?
It will get the Boolean value. Yeah.
Yeah, it
False.
returns me a Boolean value. Boolean value. Okay, why it returns me a false? Is joined is disjoint. Is joined is not there, but is disjoint is nothing but common members there are not there. It's going to check.
Okay, one is there.
One is there. That means okay, there has some join. Okay, there has some common members are there. Okay, now the question is what is disjoint? Common members not there are. Okay, false, right?
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay, so if I write like this, is dot is disjoint, disjoint. Okay, like this if I write 5 comma 7. Okay, now my A value is like what? 1 and 5 7 is there. Now is
Oh,
disjoint, common numbers are not there, that the reason is in what? Common numbers are not there, that the reason
true.
be true or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that is one. The next one is what? Subset, superset. What is subset? Subset. Sub. Okay, I have two sets are there. This particular one set is like sub. That means part of another set or not, it is going to check. Yes or no? Okay, now if you take like A equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, and there has one more value is there, b equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 like this. Now tell me, A is a part of B or not? A is some sub or not? A is part of B or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so that I can say like A is like a subset of what? B or not? Okay, so that can I write like A dot is a subset of B? True or false?
True.
True or not? Yes or no? Can I write like this? B dot is a subset of A? True or false? Is my B subset of A?
No.
No, right? Okay, my A is okay. My A is part of B only. So that A is a sub of my B. But my B is not sub to my A or not. So that it gives me false. Okay. A is subset of B is nothing but A is inside B. Can I say my B is like a superset to my A?
Yes.
Okay, so that E is a superset of A. So that it gives me what? It's like a true. Understood? Subset and superset.
Yes.
Okay. Okay then. The next one is what? Pop. Okay. These are my values. And my B, these are my values. These are my values. Now I'm going to write like this. B dot pop. You only tell. Okay. B dot pop. B dot pop. If you observe here,
Removes the first element in the set.
yeah, but the thing is what here limited elements are there. Okay, it is removes like the first element. Tell me, this particular one is like set the insertion order is not preserved, right? So
Yes.
pop, we should not tell like exact 0th index value only removed or something like that. Though we can't assume it. Why? Because which element in the 0th index we can't assume. That's the reason we can say like a remove one random element or not. Remove
Yes.
random value or not. Pop, it is always removes the one random value. Okay, that value is like what? Return value or not. Whatever it is returned, just it is going to, whatever it is going to remove, that value it is going to give like a return value or not. Agreed?
Yes.
Okay, so this is like a pop. Okay, one random value it is going to pick and it is going to remove that random value. That's it. You can say like a random, not like a first index value. Index is not applicable for set. Why? Because
Yes.
insertion order is not preserved. Read.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is about the pop. The next one is what? Remove.
Remove.
Okay, remove. Okay, let's go. This is my A value and this is my B value. Okay, B value still there. Okay, now B dot remove 10 comma 20. If I write like this, what happened? Exact
Does not.
one.
Not going to export.
Okay, now I'm going to put like a 10. 10. Okay, now what happened? Keyword B remove. Okay, this is like a key error, you get it. B dot remove. For example, if I write like one error, it's thrown. Now, if I write like this, what about B? Okay, if I
346.
write like this, remove,
356.
remove 6. Now, it gives me what? This is my B value. Now, if you come here, remove 77. Now, if you see this, now see this, it throws an error.
Yeah, that
Tell
will.
me about the remove.
It removes the.
Maximum one argument. If it is
Yes.
there, it is going to remove that one. If it is not there, it throws an exception or not.
Yes.
An exception or not. Okay, so that remove is used for specific element if you want to remove. Randomly, if you want to remove, you can go with what?
Random
Pop.
pop.
Pop. You can go with the pop. Okay, the next one is like symmetric difference update. Okay, you can check it. What is this symmetric difference? This is my A, okay, and this is my B. Can I write like A dot, okay, symmetric difference. Now, if you write like this, it's a function. If I write like this, you can call it, it's take exactly one argument, exactly one argument. Now, if I put like one argument is like a 10, he said like one argument, so that he said what? Integer object is not iterable. So it should be what?
String.
Object or not iterable. Okay, means maybe list maybe
String.
range maybe. So I'm going to put like B. I'm going to put like B. Okay. Now the same thing I want to copy. Okay, here B symmetric difference of A. The output not changed. Tell me.
It
One
it returns the uncommon values in the both.
yeah, it is not gives me the common values which are not common, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 common. It is not gives me 3, 1, 2, and 5. That means in the diagram, if you observe 1, 5, 7 are symmetric values. Yes, no? Which
Yes.
are
Yes.
not common, which are like not common. Okay, so that is nothing but symmetric difference, which are not common.
Yes.
The next one, symmetric update. This one easy for us. Okay, A dot symmetric. A dot symmetric. The value of A changed or not changed? Value of A changed or not changed? Come on, it returns me which are not common, but it is not update in the A, right? A still the value is what? A
One,
still the value is what? 1, 2, 3 only or not? So if I write like this, if I write like this, now if you come here, my A value, if you observe, my 1, 2, 5 updated or not?
yeah.
Based on your requirement, you want to use, okay, symmetric difference means it returns with a value, you can use somewhere. Symmetric difference update means it is going to, okay, return that value. Okay, it is going to return or not? It is not return the value, it is going to update the value or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is the symmetric difference. The next one, union. Okay, this one everyone knows. Okay, this is my A and this is my B. What is the union? A union of B. A intersection union. Union is nothing but what?
False.
Okay, here the answer is what? Common is what? 5, right? Okay, so my answer is like what? 1, 2, 3, 5. So here, these all elements are not 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 is the union value. Agreed?
Okay.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then the next one is what? The next one is like update, right? The next one is like update. Okay, you can check this out. Okay, A dot update. So A value, B value is what? A value is this one, and my B value is this one. Okay, A dot update. There are not there are. Yes. Can I
Yes.
call? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If I call, see my A, what happened? Okay. See my B, what happened? Is there anything is updated? No.
No.
Okay. Now I'm going to put like a 10 for example. Okay. I'm going to put like 10. What happens? A dot update of 10. Okay. Now if you come here, integer object is not a trouble. That's okay. Integer object is not a trouble. Okay. A trouble object is what? Can I put like a B now? Okay.
Yeah.
Now if you come here, see my A and see my B. See my B. Okay. Now tell me what is the difference? Previous A value is what? 1, 2, 3, 5.
1 to 5.
Okay. My B value is what? 1 to
3,
5.
5.
My B value is what? 3, 5. Common is what? Intersection is what?
5.
Intersection is what? 5, right?
5.
5. Okay, so if I write like A update B, it gives me what? 1, 2. Okay, next 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5 means this value added here or not. At the same time, it is going to what? It is remove the duplicate values or not. That's all. So
Yes. Yes.
obviously remove the duplicate value. It's a kind of merging or not. I merged A into B. I updated A with which value? B value or not. It's not wow, I just update. Okay, whenever you updated 1, 2, 5, 3, 5. But set accept duplicate values or not accepted.
Not X.
Not accepted. What happened? 5 repeated how many times? Only one time. So finally my output is like what? 1, 2, 3, 5 or not. Repeat.
Yes.
Okay, these are the methods in the set. Okay, we'll see the real time. Okay, where exactly we are going to use later. For now, just you should comfort with the purpose, the functional device, how it's going to work. Okay, now up to here.
Got it. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The next one is like so far. Okay, which one we covered? String we covered. String. Some methods I asked you to complete. Okay, we can discuss again. String methods. Okay, not complete all right.
Yes.
String. The next one is what? List. Next range. Next
Mm,
set. The next one is what? Dictionary or not? That's all. Okay. Shall we go with the dictionary?
Yes.
Let's go. First, my dictionary is which type? My dictionary is which type? Any number you are trying to
Yes.
use, first of all, find the type. Based on that one, you can start analyzing the things or not. If it is like a class, how many members are there in the class? How we can find it?
Three.
Dir of dict.
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I'm back. Now, if you observe here, dictionary, see this. Which methods are there from here? You can clear
Clear,
is there,
copy,
is get to items, keys, pop is there, pop item, set default, update and values. Okay, each and every value we can see, each and every method we can see. Before that, okay, tell me why we go for dictionary, how we can create the dictionary, all this stuff you can tell. Why we go for dictionary in Python? Okay, let's go with the new notebook. Do this, right? Yes. Tell me how we can create the dictionary. I'm going to write like this, okay? Val equals to something like this. What is the type of this val? What is the type of this val?
set,
Okay, 90% we are telling like set only. But if you observe this one, see this. Okay, now the same code I'm going to write like this. Okay, na? What is the type of the val?
set,
Set. So if I write the curly brace without any values, okay, by default it is pointing like what? It is treated like what?
distance,
Dictionary or not. If you have some values like this, that one we can treat it like what? Set. Treat it like a set. Okay, now? Now, if you want to create a dictionary without values, like this, we can create it or not. This is one way. Another way of creating the dictionary is what? Come on. Another way of creating the dictionary is what? Another way of creating the dictionary is what?
by using keyword.
Create an object for the dictionary class or not. Same like list, set, range, all same. Create an object for which class? Dictionary class or not. Either you can create a dictionary like this curly braces directly, either you can create an object for this particular one or not. Which class? Dictionary class. Okay? Okay then. So this is my dictionary without any values. If you want to put some values, how we can put the values? That is the question. So why we go for a dictionary? Very simple. If you want to represent some data about any particle, if you want to represent something about one particle, then the best suitable data type is like a dictionary. For example, I want to tell something about Sachin. Okay, if you want to tell something about Sachin with the list, yes, you can tell it. How we can tell about the Sachin with the list? Sachin. Hmm? Okay, 20,000. Okay, his hundreds are like 50. His 50s are like 70. Like this, you can represent or not? Yes or no? Come on. Set also we can represent. Tuple also we can represent. The problem here is what? 90% I can assume or 100% I can assume my Sachin is like a name. Yes. 20,000 I can assume it's like a runs. But if you come here, I thought like 50 is like 50s, 70 is like hundreds. Or 50 is like hundreds, 70 is like what? 50s. How we can tell exactly what is my 50 represents, what is my 70 represents? Exactly. Is it possible? Is it the best suitable way to represent data something about the such? Yes, you can do it, but is this the best suitable way?
No,
No, right? No, right? Okay, if you go with set also, there is no change. If you go with what? Tuple also, there is no change. But it is not the correct way of representing the data about one particle or about one player is like a Sachin or not. Then how we can go? I'm going to write in another way. Okay, player is equals to, if I write something like this, if I write something like this, If I write something like this particular one, if you observe, okay, see exactly what is Sachin. What is Sachin? Sachin is a name. 20,000 is like a runs. 70,000 is like what? I can say like exactly 50 so 70, sorry. Okay, 50 is like exactly hundreds or not. Yes or no? If I represent the data like this, okay, if I represent the data like this, the end user easily can come to know the value represents what? You can easily come to know or not. Yes or no? So this particular player I created like this. What is the type of this one? Can you check it? You created, there is no syntax error. If you check this one, what is this type? It's like a dictionary or not. You can tell something about the dictionary. My dictionary, which represents multiple values in a single variable here, but the multiple values in which format he represents the data. In which format he represents the data. He represents the data with what? In the key value pair format or not? Yes or no? By using dictionary, we can represent the data in which format? The key value pair format or not? It tells something about one particle. But that particular data in which format? It's like a key value pair format or not? Agreed everyone? Okay, it's like a key value pair format. Now, if you come here, if it is like a key value pair format, this is my key and this is my value. Okay, key value, key value, key value. Okay, now you can ask a question. Just I am going to write like my player. Okay, my player. Done. Now tell me which data is there in this particular dictionary object. Do we have any data? At this moment, no. My question is, I want to insert the data. How? I want to update the data. I want to read the data, and I want to retrieve the data. All DML operations I want to perform on my players dictionary or not. Okay, so that I want to insert the data. So how we can insert the data? If you want to insert the data, tell me what inputs are required. If you want to insert, okay, this data, how many inputs are required? Required and value or not? Yes or no? If you want to keep some data in the dictionary, minimum two inputs required or not? One is like a key, another one is what? Value or not? If you have a key value, how we can represent my player of what is the key? Anything you can put it. What is the value? My value is like a Sachin. Now, if you observe here, my player, now the first value added or not? What is the key? Name. What is the value? Sachin is my value or not? Yes or no? Whenever the data you kept inside the object, okay, it's called a dictionary in the Python. Whenever you keep some data in the dictionary, in the key value pairs, those key value pairs terminology wise, you can say like some properties. Terminology is what we can say. We can say like a properties. So how many properties are there at this moment? One property. Now my player dot okay, runs equals to 20,000. This syntax in JavaScript works. But if you come here, dictionary object has no attribute run, something like this. Why you know? This is treated like an object, and this is treated like what? A member or not? Agreed? Is my runs is the member of my player? That means dictionary. My runs is the member of my dictionary? No, na. See here. Is there any runs is there? No. So that how we can insert the data in the dictionary in Python? Don't go with the dot notation. Go with what? Square bracket or not. Agreed? So how many properties are there so far? Only one property is there. I want to insert one more property. So how we can insert? Okay, of runs is equals to 20,000. 20,000. Yes. Okay. My player of Okay, something you can put it. 50 sum is equals to 50. Yes, my player. Okay, na? Now here my player dot okay of location equals to Mumbai. Will it work or not work? If not work, what is there? Will it work or not work? If it not work, what is the error? Hmm?
It should be string.
Error tell me. It should be string. Okay. What is the error? What is the error? Come on, what is the error?
What else?
One member is not there. LOC is not there. Unterminated string literal detected at line number 1. This is this one. Okay. Can I remove this? Can I add it? Yes or no? Unterminated string. Now this is our actual one or not? What is this? Name LOC is not defined or not? Name LOC is not defined. Why? Because LOC is not a value, it's a reference, right? Yes or no? Is my LOC is defined anywhere? LOC is defined anywhere? No.
No.
That reason name LOC is not defined. Agreed? Okay, how we can fix it? I don't want to change this one. Okay, to fix, can you do something? Can I define LOC? Is like location like this. Any problem? Can I define like this? Now LOC defined or not defined? Defined. No error,
Defined.
nothing. Now you can see my player. Now if you come here, see my location Mumbai added or no? No. Location Mumbai added or not? Agreed? Hmm? So you need to check like it's like a reference or it's like a value. Value means no issues. If it is like a reference, then the time you have to check that particular reference defined somewhere or not. So for everyone. Okay. Okay then remaining things we'll see in Monday session. Okay, I will update you about the timings. Okay, just you can join morning only. I will update you the timings.
Okay.
Okay then, thank you guys.